So this video is really just a test. It's different kind of content than I've ever done before. But I wanted to see if I could record like cooking stuff in case I wanted to make more videos like this, which I do really. It's a good thing that it was a test because apparently I got completely destroyed by autofocus. And I didn't know how to fix that at the time, but I have figured it out now. This was using my phone to record, and I don't know, the default camera app on my phone is a bit rubbish. Anyway, this video was about making banana porridge, which is something that I eat quite often. So, starting with some oats, some sugar, and just one banana. I would usually use 2 bananas for this kind of porridge, but I only had one available on the day that I filmed this. But that's completely up to you. Cooking is a very subjective thing, and you should use the ingredients that make the food taste best to you. I think that's important. So I don't usually measure like quantities of ingredients when I'm making stuff. It's for that reason. Anyway, when you have the dry ingredients, then add milk, and water is optional really. You can use either one. I prefer just to use milk. It just depends on what kind of end product you want. If you use just milk, it's going to be more creamy than if you use water. So, I don't know, try out the quantities and see what you like best. Porridge is really easy to do, and it's quite versatile, I guess. You can cook it in different ways, different amounts. It's really just very easy, and you can make the end product be whatever you want it to be. For me, I will just put it on the heat until it starts to like bubble, then turn the heat down, and then I like to leave it on for a while until it starts to thicken. That's just my personal preference because I like thick porridge. But again, if you make like this kind of thing, don't follow my recipe. Make it however it tastes best to you, because that's the most important thing with food. Once it starts to get thick, then I'll just take it off the heat and pretty much serve it straight away. Well, or at least put it in the bowl, but I wouldn't eat it straight away because it's very, very hot and that will just burn your mouth. So I probably wait like 10 minutes before actually eating the porridge. But yeah, that's it. It's very, very simple recipe. Very easy to make. And quite nice. I like porridge. I eat porridge a lot. Anyway, thanks for watching, I guess.